So welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about the basic search function in a user web application project. So we have two types of basic search. Like we can use a keyword and search, and also we can filter out things using the filter option here. So if I search for iPhones and click the search, I don't get anything because there aren't any iPhones there. So if I select electronics and uh, search, I get the electronics section, and if I say apparel and fashion, we get the shoes, and food and beverages, we get the Sprite. So if I clear all these and select for automobiles, and I say like Toyota, and I get the Toyota car. And if I select electronic and I select Samsung, I don't have any Samsung, that means. So if I select automobiles and car I selected earlier, like I apparel fashion, and I select Nike, then I will get Nike, and I if I select food and beverages and like Sprite, I will get the Sprite. So let's see how this works in our coding. So in our home PHP, if I get the uh, basic search here, we have in the search button here, the search button, we have this only basic search function. So if we move the basic search in our script.js, we can find here, we can find that in this we will catch the values of elements in here. So this is the input fields ID. So we catch this and assign it to the variable text, and the selections ID that we have select from this C as select variable. So we are assigning this to F and get it as an inform data, and we append the data. This data, the X is the number and the text from here, and the select from here, and append it to this and send it to basic search process.php using post method using Ajax. That's why this is true. So if you go to basic search process, and here we can see in the top, we request the connection PHP, and then we get the text and the select things that we go through post method and assign it to the text variable and select variable. So we have assigned to the query variable by getting all from the product table. So we check whether if the text variable is empty and selected is 0, then the query will be assigned as title like. So we use like because we don't want the user to type the exact same word to get the result. We use the similarity to get the result. So when selecting from category, we get the category ID from like our database. Every product has a category ID like this. So and we use the like, and we concat the text and concat the select to find. And in here we check whether if the page number is 0 or else the page number is 1. And in this part, what we have done is we have searched the data according to the query that we updated according to these conditions. And we have assigned the value to the product RS variables. And we have assigned the number of rows for that product RS results we got as product number. And here, product results, that means we get the number of pages here. So if I had multiple results in my database, this pagination works, right? So in if I get like uh, electronics and like iPhone, like see, we have 4 results. That's it. So in here in the basic search process, we have that here on click basic search thing is that the number of the same thing as this. So that's how actually the basic search works. For that, let's move to the function again. And here you can see that we are checking for the already stated with an anonymous function, and we get the basic search result, and inner HTML the T, that means the response text that we got. So the basic search result is the ID of the element that we are getting from our PHP file. So then we are in HTML the response text. So that means just check out our, we don't have nothing for technology, so let's take again the food and beverages, and we have the sprites. So that means to work these things perfectly, we have to use this function, and we have also we should get the response text correctly from our basic search process.php. So that's all for the basic search process in our eShop web application. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.